Whenever I'm saltwater fishing, I primarily fish with a Carolina rig. It's by far one of the easiest setups to use, and I've caught a lot of fish. If you look at any of my videos, some of the biggest fish I've caught have been off a Carolina rig. So if you're new to fishing and you're looking to get into saltwater fishing, in my opinion, the Carolina rig is the easiest, and you catch a lot of different things with it. In this video, I'm just going to walk you through how to set up a Carolina rig, and the reason for that is because I just broke my line off, which happens a lot when you're throwing around docks, but you can see how easy with the right tackle to set up a Carolina rig. Now, your primary thing you're going to need are a barrel swivel, a bead of any color or size, and then you're going to need an egg weight. I typically use anywhere from a ½ ounce to 1 ounce. You can go bigger, again, depending on where you're fishing at, and all you need to do is put your egg weight on first on your main line, and then put your bead next, and then all you have to do then is tie your barrel swivel on. And I can't tell you why the bead is there. Again, I think it adds some color variation in the water for your bait, but also I think it prevents your weight damaging your line, making contact with your swivel. So once you have your bead on, you just want to tie whatever knot I use I guess it's the improved clinching knot. That's what I use primarily for all my knots when tying. It's just really quick and easy, and it holds up. But there are a number of different knots that you can try. I can put a link to this knot tying technique that I'm using. And then the next thing you want to do is grab yourself a hook. I use circle hooks, typically size 2. This here is a easy hack. I made a video about this here, which you can click on the link above. But this is just simply my hook on fluorocarbon. I go with anywhere from 25 to 30 pound. Just again, I'm fishing around structure, so sometimes I want my my leader line to hold up, especially depending on the type of fish you might be targeting. So that will be important, as far as what you have for your Carolina rig. But once you tie your leader and hook to your barrel swivel, you're in business. Short of cutting your tag lines off, you're good to go. And like I said, this has worked for a lot of fish that I've caught. It is by far really the only setup that I use when I'm inshore fishing. Again, this is Carolina rig. This is what I would recommend to anybody that's just getting started in saltwater fishing. You'll catch a lot of different fish. You just got to make sure you have the right size weight based on how the current or wind may be moving, as well as the hook and your leader line. And really, that's all you need to know when setting up your Carolina rig. Now that everything's tied back up, all I need is put on my bait. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for watching.